In January 2025, America's biggest AI company accused a Chinese rival of copying its model's mind. Not the code, not the secret weights, just its answers. The trigger was DeepSeek R1, a model built, they claimed, for a tiny fraction of the usual cost. The day it topped the App Store, Nvidia lost $589 billion of market value. In one day, the accusation had a name, distillation. To understand it, forget theft for a second, start with a teacher. A big AI model is brilliant, but expensive to run, so labs train a small student model to copy a big teacher. Same answers, much smaller brain. That's distillation. And inside one company, it's completely normal. Everyone does it to their own models. So the attack is almost embarrassingly simple. Step 1. Ask the rival's model millions of questions. Step 2. Save every answer. Step 3. Train your own model on those pairs. Step 4. Your student now imitates their teacher, skill it never paid to discover. The evidence, as reported. OpenAI told the Financial Times it had seen, quote, some evidence of distillation, and Microsoft's security team had watched large amounts of data flowing out through OpenAI developer accounts back in late 2024. Now the uncomfortable part, distillation isn't hacking. The rule it breaks is one line in the terms of service. Don't use our outputs to build a competitor. DeepSeek itself openly distilled its own R1 into smaller models. That part is standard practice. The technique is everywhere. The controversy is whose teacher you borrow.